Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix issues with the Minecraft launcher, not downloading or installing through the Microsoft Store. Let's get started. Step 1. Restart the Microsoft Store. Search for Microsoft Store, right-click and select App Settings. Scroll down, click Terminate, then Repair and finally Reset. Step 2. Clear temporary files. Open Settings, go to System and click on Storage. Find Temporary Files, select all the options and click Remove Files. Step 3. Check for Windows updates. Search for Windows Update, check for updates and make sure your system is up to date. Step 4. Verify date, time and region. Search for date and time settings. Ensure your time zone is correct and auto-sync is enabled. Click Sync Now, then go to Region and Language and make sure your system language matches your region. Step 5. Disable VPNs. Search for VPN settings, and if a VPN is active, disable or remove it. Step 6. Re-sign into the Microsoft Store. Search for Microsoft Store again. Click your profile in the top right corner, sign out, and then sign back in. If none of these steps work, restart your computer and try downloading the Minecraft launcher again. That's it for today's video. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.